the truth they never told you. Have you ever looked into her eyes and felt like she had complete control over you? Like she knew exactly what to say, what to do, to leave you chasing? Here's the dark truth no one tells you. Every woman, no matter how confident, beautiful, or emotionally secure, has weaknesses, psychological patterns, hidden triggers, and once you understand these, you don't chase her, she chases you, not because you lied, not because you manipulated, but because you finally understood the code. This video isn't about pickup lines or fake tricks. This is deep, psychological understanding. And by the end, you'll look at women differently. Let's dive into the top 7 girl weaknesses every man needs to know. Weakness number 1, the validation trap. Every girl, yes, every girl, craves one thing more than love. Validation. It's the invisible drug. She posts a selfie and checks who liked it. She wears a new outfit and watches who notices. She doesn't need one guy to like her. She needs everyone to want her, and only one to win her. Here's where most men go wrong. They give her constant, predictable validation. You look so pretty. I miss you. You're perfect. You think it brings you closer. But she starts to expect it. And what's expected becomes boring instead. Disrupt the pattern. Give validation when it's least expected. When she's insecure, when she's vulnerable. Not when she's begging for it, but when she least anticipates it. Reward unpredictability, it taps directly into her dopamine system. She becomes addicted to your approval because it's rare. That's the trap. And now you control it. Weakness number 2, the unpredictable mystery hook. You know what makes her heart race? Uncertainty, not gifts. Not texts every morning. But the mysterious silence that makes her wonder. What is he thinking? Does he like me? Or is he losing interest? You've heard the phrase /nice guys finish last. Why? Because nice guys are predictable. The girl knows what's coming next. She knows your every move. But when you become a mystery, her mind becomes obsessed with solving you. You become the puzzle she can't solve. Be emotionally intelligent, but unreadable. Don't tell her everything. Make her curious. Let her chase answers, not receive conclusions. The moment she stops knowing your next move, she starts imagining it. And imagination is far more powerful than information. Weakness number 3, emotional mirror effect. Here's a dark psychological truth. People fall in love with reflections of themselves. Women are no different. If she's playful, mirror that energy. If she's intense, match her seriousness. If she's cold, don't chase. Become colder. It's not about pretending. It's about emotional mirroring. Why does it work? Because when you reflect someone's emotional state, their subconscious thinks, he gets me. He understands me. You're not becoming fake. You're becoming familiar. And familiarity builds connection. Fast. But here's the dark twist. When you mirror her, she'll also start mirroring you. Your calmness becomes her calmness. Your detachment becomes her obsession, because suddenly, you are leading the emotional rhythm and she follows. Weakness number 4, the chosen one illusion. Every girl has options, guys in her DMs. Guys at the gym, guys at work. But what she really wants isn't options. It's being chosen, not just picked. Chosen above all others. It's a powerful illusion, and if you understand it, you can use it without saying a word. Here's how. Don't give attention to all women. Let her see you ignoring others. Let her see that your energy is selective. Now, when you do give her attention, it feels like a privilege. You've elevated your value. Not by chasing, but by choosing wisely, and in her mind, she's the one who stood out. Even if you said nothing, she'll chase that validation like a flame, because now, you've made her feel like the only one that matters. Weakness number 5, the comfort versus chaos dilemma. She says she wants a nice guy. She says she wants peace, stability, routine. But let me tell you the truth, she doesn't even admit to herself. She craves chaos, just the right amount, too much comfort. She gets bored, too much chaos. She runs. What she secretly wants is a balance, emotional waves, the highs, the lows, the unpredictability. It makes her feel alive. Think of her emotions like a heartbeat. Flat means dead, peaks and dips mean passion. So don't always reply instantly. Don't always be available. Give her moments of silence. And then hit her with deep presence. Give her the thrill of unpredictability while staying emotionally grounded. Now, she's hooked because her body is riding the roller coaster. And you're the one driving it. Weakness number 6, craving to be understood. This might be the deepest one of all. You can give her attention. You can give her compliments. But if you can make her feel understood, you'll own space in her soul. Most men listen to reply. Few listen to feel, ask deeper questions. Notice small details, remember something she said weeks ago. Then casually bring it up later. That one sentence will hit her like a truck. You actually remembered that. And in her mind, you're no longer a guy, you're the one man who gets her, and that is a dangerous power because now she's emotionally vulnerable to you. And that's where real influence begins. Weakness number 7, fear of being replaced. Every girl, whether she's loyal, in love, or distant, has one hidden fear. Being replaced by someone better. It's a fear that lives in the dark corners of her subconscious. Especially in a world of filters, fake perfection, and endless competition. If she feels that you could leave her, not out of anger, but because you could attract better, her mind will begin a silent war against itself. Not because you threatened her, but because you silently reminded her. You're not easily replaceable. You have standards. You have options. You don't need her. You choose her. That's the ultimate shift. Because from that moment, she starts fighting to stay in your life. And fear of loss is 10x more powerful than love itself. The final truth, use power, but never abuse it. Now that you know her psychological weaknesses, you hold power. But with power comes responsibility. This knowledge isn't for manipulation. It's for mastery. To attract the right kind of connection. To stop chasing and start choosing. To become the kind of man women respect, desire, and remember forever. So go ahead. Use these truths. But never forget the rule of dark psychology. Power is silent. And the strongest men never need to speak loudly. They just understand and walk away when needed. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you're not just another average guy. Subscribe for more dark psychology secrets and emotional mastery. Tips every man needs to know. And comment below which of these 7 weaknesses surprised you the most. This is Silent Tribe, where truth cuts deeper than lies.